the zoo for a field trip, and they would have to create a print book to let them color and design it as they want, and that's how they would be graded on it. And then my ebook is another favorite item. It was a prod for the production badge. It is engaging because it keeps the students able to work at their own pace in researching their favorite animal. It is efficient as does take it doesn't take too long, but it does take some technology in library books. It is effective to see where the teacher knows who is struggling with researching and animal classification, and it also enhances their learning because they're encouraging their own research. So overall, um, this class really helped me learn how to use technology for students, and I really liked being able to create all of these badges that I would actually use in elementary. So other than my other classes, it actually is directly involved with what I'm going to do with my life. Um, and then my future ideas for technology integration would be to use these different badges to create a happy, more positive atmosphere to actually have the students be encouraged to enjoy their learning and not just seeming forced to do studying and reading things they may not want. So technology really helps for students to enjoy it, and that's my vision for my own class of technology.